Hello everyone. Course BSc subject physics paper semiconductor devices digital electronics laser and fiber optics. Subtopic analysis of a single stage CE amplifier using hybrid model. Presented by Bommalingaya B. Assistant Professor Department of Physics Srimati Sri YER Government First Aid College Pavagada. Today we are going to discuss about the analysis of a single stage CE amplifier using hybrid model, where CE is known as the common emitter amplifier. So introduction. So in the last chapter we discussed about the amplifier characteristic parameters such as current gain and values of other circuit components. From this advantages where value of circuit components are easily available. The procedure followed is quite simple and easy to understand. Since results are not very accurate, to overcome this hybrid parameters, method analysis is used to get accurate results such as voltage gain, input gain and output resistances, etc. So in the earlier cases in CE amplifier we got current gain, DC current gain, AC current gain, input impedances, output impedances. So by using hybrid parameters we can also obtain voltage gain, input impedances, or output resistances in the same manner. The results will be obtaining the results is same. Hybrid equivalent circuit of a common emitter amplifier. So here is the circuit is given. So here the VG is the input signal, IB is the base current, RG is the resistance through which the signal is passing to the amplifier, transistor. B is the base, E is the emitter, C is the circuit. VCB is the voltage measured across the collector to the base. So here VBB is the battery from which the energy is supplied to the signal and also to the circuit. So here NPN is given because the flowing of electrons from base to emitter. E emitter, IE is the emitter current which flowing from the transistor to the ground. So here IC is the collector current which flows from VCC battery. Here VCC battery is there. VCC battery to the collector point, and therefore VCE is known as the voltage measured across the collector to emitter, and VBE is known as the voltage across base to emitter, and we can measure from year to year VBE volts. For NPN transistor the amplification factor is 0.5 or it may be it is depending on the resistances, depending on the temperature. So therefore here output signals can be measured by using the CRO instrument. Hybrid equivalent circuit of a CE amplifier. RG is the output resistance of the input signal and RL is the load resistance. The general H parameter equations become VI equals VBE, that is input voltage, VBE is the base to emitter voltage, that is equal to HIE IB plus HRE V0 1. This is equation number 1. HIC is equal to HFV IB plus HOE into V0, that is equal to equation number 2, where V0 is equal to VC. These equations according to the Kirchhoff's voltage law, second law, because the EMF I is equal to, it is equivalent to the product of current and resistances. IC is equal to, therefore IC is equal to HFV IB plus HOE V0. equation number 2. From equation number 1 we get IB is equal to VI minus HRE to V naught divided by HIE. Hybrid equivalent circuit of C amplifier is continued still. So the DC voltage of the collector with respect to the emitter is given by VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRL. So that gives, so this can be differentiated with respect to VCC. Therefore we get V delta dVCE is equal to minus dVCRL, because VCC is constant. Sorry, the VCC is constant. Delta VCE equals minus delta IC divided by RL. So therefore because VCC is constant, or VC is equal to minus RL into IC, or V naught is equal to minus RL into IC. Substitute V naught in equation 2, we have IC is equal to HFE IB minus HOE RL IC, or HFE IB equals HOE RL into IC plus IC. So from these equations we can get HFE IB is equal to IC RL divided by 1 by HOE plus IC RL divided by RL. This is equation number 4. Hybrid equivalent circuit of C amplifier is continued still. So equation 3 indicates that the base emitter circuit is equivalent to AC voltage source of HRE V0, with opposes the AC input voltage VI and is connected in series with the input resistance HIE. Equation 4 indicates that the collector emitter circuit is equivalent to current source, which supplies a current HFE IB, and in parallel of which are connected the output resistance 1 by HOE and load resistance RL. Therefore, the equivalent circuit is shown in figure. Hybrid equivalent circuit of C amplifier is continued still. So here, this is the equivalent circuit of the C amplifier. So C amplifier, RS is the load, RS is the signal resistance. Here IB is the base current which flows to the base in C amplifier. So here which flows to the signal V0. This is another signal. So this is the source voltage, and this is the output voltage. Here output voltage, here also output voltage. So therefore here ZIE is the input impedance, VI is equal to VBE, that is emitter, that is the voltage base emitter voltage. Vi is equal to base emitter voltage. So this is known as input voltage. HIE to HIE is known as H11. The current is flowing. The current is flowing into the circuit. So therefore HRE into V0, H12 V0. So instead of HRE V0 we can write H12 V0. So here IE is the emitter current. So we can recall that emitter current where it is actually from the emitter to the ground. So therefore the emitter current is flowing from signal to the ground here. So here HFE IB, instead of we can write H12 IB. Here IC is the collector current which flows from the battery VCC in the C amplifier. So in this case the current is flowing from another source IC. So here RL is the load resistance. So we can measure the output voltage V0 is equal to VCE, that gives ZOE is the impedance. Output impedance we can measure here. So therefore this is the complete diagram of the hybrid equivalent circuit of a CE amplifier. C amplifier. So hybrid equivalent circuit of a C amplifier, here some notations are given. So here HIE is the input impedance, HOE is the output impedance, so HFE is the forward current gain, HRE is the reverse voltage gain transfer ratio of the transistor, RS is the input impedance, VS signal source across input port, RL load resistance across the output port, Vi and V0 is the input and output signals. IB and IC input and output currents are taken to be positive while flowing inward. This circuits, an AC equivalent circuit and DC values do not appear in the circuit. So once again we have to notice properly. So these terms should be kept in mind always. HIE is the input resistance, input impedance, HOE is the output impedance, HFE is the forward current gain, HRE indicates reverse voltage transfer ratio of the transistor, RS input impedance, VS signal source across input port, RL is the load resistance across the output port, Vi and V0 input and output signals, IB and IC input and output currents are taken to be positive while flowing inward. This currents an AC equivalent circuit and DC values do not appear in the circuit. Hybrid equivalent circuit of a C amplifier. In this figure, AC voltage source HRE V0, which acts in opposite to the input signal Vi, represents the feedback of the output voltage to the input circuit. The HFE IB may be looked as if the input currents IB is amplified and appears as in HFE IB in the output circuit. The HFE equals beta. This is known as the current gain, the current amplification factor. Also current gain or current amplification factor. References. So these are the books, the list of the books are given here, so through which you can study for more information. Thank you one and all.